Really? What are you doing, Bentley? What did you find? You got a cool toy, huh? Ooh, cool toy. Bentley, where's Emma? Hi, Emma! She looks. Bentley, say hi! Hi! Hi, baby girl! Hi! Look at her, that's what she's always doing, is trying to stand up. Oh, yeah? Your brother's blanket? Okay, everybody, it's clean up time.